Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about creating the simple cursor adapter. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. To create a simple cursor adapter, you need to tell it how you want the data to be displayed, which cursor to use and which columns should be mapped to which views. Here's how you would create a simple cursor adapter to display a list of drink names. This is the cursor from the previous video. This layout displays a single value for each row in the list view. This is the cursor. Display the contents of the name column in the list view text views. Then use setAdapter method to connect the adapter to the list view. Just as we did with the array adapter, we are using android.r.layout.simpleListItem1 to tell Android that we want to display each row in the cursor as a single text view in the list view. This text view has an ID of android.r.id.text1. The general form of the simple cursor adapter constructor looks like this. This is the layout to display the data. The cursor you create, the cursor should include the _ID column and the data you want to appear. Which columns in the cursor to match to which views. And flags are used to determine the behavior of the cursor. The context and layout parameters are exactly the same ones when you create an array adapter. Context is the current context and layout says how you want to display the data. Instead of saying which array we need to get our data from, we need to specify which cursor contains the data using the cursor parameter. You then use from columns to specify which columns in the cursor you want to use and to views to say which views you want to display them in. The flag parameter is generally set to 0, which is the default. The alternative is to set it to flag_register_content_observer to register a content observer that will be notified when the content changes. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.